Medikonda Nutrients is a leading manufacturer and supplier of natural plant-based ingredients. One of our standout botanicals is Mimosa Hostilis root bark. At Medikonda Nutrients, we provide premium-grade Mimosa Hostilis root bark, honoring nature's integrity at every step of the process. The journey begins in sustainable growing regions where Mimosa Hostilis thrives under ideal environmental conditions. Only the inner bark is carefully harvested by manually peeling away the outer layers to isolate the most potent inner portions. The root bark is then dried using traditional drying. Once dried, our Mimosa Hostilis root bark is cut into pieces or kept whole. The bark undergoes a controlled shredding process or powdered process, creating the perfect consistency for formulation. Each batch undergoes strict quality assurance testing to ensure purity, potency, and safety. Finally, the bark is carefully packed and stored in food-grade packaging under controlled conditions to ensure long-lasting freshness. Rooted in tradition, driven by science, guided by sustainability, we are Medikonda Nutrients.